guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com. And Porsche builds a Mercedes sedan. Well, you're going to find all about that in this episode. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Like and share these videos so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below. So by now you've seen our review of the Mercedes 1994 Mercedes E500, and that sedan was actually built in collaboration with Porsche. So I'll link that review of the car where we're actually driving it, going through the interior and all the features at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video all the way through, and then you can click and watch that, because obviously watching that, a lot of the stuff here will make more sense. So in this video, we're going to talk about how that collaboration worked. Now, the particular Mercedes we're talking about, this particular E500, was built from 1990 to 1995. Now, as you know, Mercedes sold a high-performance version of the W124, and that was the Mercedes-Benz 500e. Now, this was created in close cooperation with Porsche, with its engineering department being fully occupied with the development of the new S-Class. Mercedes commissioned Porsche in 1989 to redesign the W125 chassis to put in the 5-liter V8 that was used in the SL. Plus, there were changes that had to be made to the suspension system and drivetrain. Now, when the car was ready, it was found that its widened fenders didn't fit the W124 assembly line in 3 places. So therefore, Porsche was commissioned to assemble the car. And as a side effect to this arrangement, provided work loan for Porsche's plant. And remember, Porsche was in crisis at this time. Now, design began in 1989, called the 500e through model year 1993. For model year 1994, it was facelifted along with the rest of the range and renamed E500. Now, the chassis was constructed by Porsche and was also used on the 400e. Now, the 400e had a smaller engine. It had a 4.2-liter V8, and it lacked the wider fenders and mistakenly understated like one of its lesser siblings. The 500e first came for sale in late 1990, making its first appearance October 1st, 1999. Now, to give you some other information on the car, the 5-liter V8, this was called a wolf in sheep's clothing by the press. So the 5-liter V8 actually had impressive results. 0 to 60 times were about 6 seconds, and a quarter mile of about 4.1 seconds. Now, I still think this is one of the best looking Mercedes today. And as you can see in my video review, which I'll link at the end of this video, I really love driving it. All right, guys, remember to watch this video all the way to the end, and I will link my E500 review. You're not going to want to miss that. It was one of the best cars I drove this year, and you're really going to enjoy it. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. We post 3 videos a week every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Leave a positive comment below what your thoughts are on this car. And I will see you next time. And enjoy the video review at the end of the video. Hit that link. Thanks, guys. See you next time.